Savannah High School has a dozen CTAE pathways, but this one's hot.
I like being there with the flames, man. I like controlling the puddle.
Like we have welding engineer, which combines with machinery and welding. And as a welding engineer, you kind of design your own pieces.
There's fabrication, you can go in the union, you can go into the military. There's a lot of places that need welders.
There's a lot of scholarships from welding, you know, because a lot of schools don't have this type of program for a lot of kids. So, you know, it's really rare you see a lot of schools pick it up and do stuff like that. And also the job opportunities, you know, right about now you need people in the trade.
Welding in general is probably well over 200,000 to 300,000 jobs that are need to be filled in the United States. With some experience, you're guaranteed work.
It's certainly an in-demand field of work, and Savannah High is shaping many to fill that need.
So we would have industry fundamentals and occupational safety, which is our first class. And then you have intro to metals, and then welding 1, and then now we offer welding 2.
Welding, masonry, being an electrician, going out in the summer, hot degrees on a rooftop or pouring concrete, that's something that can't be taken by AI.
I was always interested in trades, so when I found out that they had welding, you know, I just wanted to try it out. Mr. Norris is a great teacher. You know, he really has a passion for welding. He has a passion for actually teaching it.
The more I got into it, the more I liked it, the more I still love it to this day. I love teaching it, I still like making things, I still like to weld. So to translate that to the kids is just really trying to express like my passion for it and to try to grab them, either sort of grasp that and possibly pull that from them as well. And then watching them progress and then gaining that confidence that happens, it's pretty special.
It's a big accomplishment. It's the first one the school ever won.
You got that right, Zion. The team put together a fabulous effort, propelling them toward the state tournament in February.
We were confident in what we did. We were proud on what we did.
We put approximately 4 to 5 pieces of metal together and like the arrangement they give us on the blueprints.
This is the table we made. Ours the only table that had wheels on it and the only table that really had a handle.
Our goals were on par with everyone, but it was our creativity that made us win.
We cut metal on it with plasma or acetylene, or gas water. And if these get burnt up, stuff like that, you can just flip it over and just switch it out, just like that.
Watching a student want it, you know, and then having them actually achieve that is, you know, it's wonderful. It's a great feeling.
We were very excited. Even more excited that we got to move on to states.
A big welding win for Savannah High and another great choice at SCCPSS. I'm Ken Slatz reporting.